Hi, today I'm going to explain how to use WaveToGet app from the perspective of a client. First of all, install WaveToGet app on your phone. The app can be found on both App Store and Google Play. After installing WaveToGet app, just click on the icon, type your username and password. You're in. In the middle of the screen, you will see a large QR code that a store owner or employee can scan to reach your account. Then several actions can be performed by the worker, like adding dollars or points for your recent purchase or changing your membership status. Below the QR code, you will see a convert button. Clicking it, you will be able to convert the points earned for the purchases or other activities to dollars to spend towards purchase later on. To convert points to dollars, simply enter the number of points you wish to use and click the convert button. The points will be automatically converted and the extra dollars will appear on your account. Nearby the convert button, you can see the points and dollar balance of your account. Pay QR is a function allowing you to use the dollars you earn towards a product or service offered by the store. Simply scan the QR code on a front desk or social media of the store, and the product is yours. If you click the More button, you'll see your rewards chart, membership, redeemable, and the notes that a store worker added for you. At the bottom of the section, you can also see 4 buttons: Map, that will help you find the location of the store, Messages from the store worker, and the Activity button that contains a list of every single action performed with your account. You can also scan a QR code or enter the perk code to get some extra points or dollars as a gift. After scanning a QR code, just tap the Get button. Hurry up, the number of people that can use the perk code can be limited. Perk codes can be found in a store location, on social media, or in emails. Under the Setting button on the upper left corner, you have your account information, which you are always free to edit.